Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable and disable split screen feature on your Windows 11. So as you can see guys, in my PC the split screen feature was already enabled. Just I want to disable this feature. To disable this guys, just you need to open your Windows 11 settings, hold Windows key button and press I. Okay. In these settings guys, in the right panel, just scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option multitasking. Just click and open it. Okay, and here you can get the option snap window. If you want to disable the split screen feature, just you need to turn off this option. That's it. And now as you can see guys, the option was disabled. If you want to enable it, you need to turn on this option. That's it. From here you can easily able to enable and disable this feature. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.